There guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to create or make a logo with the help of Canva. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva website. After that, just head over to the home page of Canva and go to the search option and write for like any type of logo that you want to make. Like keep resemblance with the type of logo that you want and then search for it. Let's just say I'll search for a coffee shop logo. So here are many coffee shop logos here. So I'll just select this one here, go customize template, and you'll be able to like customize it as you as you wish. So I'll just change the name here. So I just changed the name of the shop. So if you want to edit the background colors, you can also edit colors, and if you want to add more elements, you can add more elements from here. So that's it. That's how you create or make a logo with the help of Canva. So that's it with the video guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.